Hey, what is up guys? Mac on Track here. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a video about 3 tech-related tips to help you maximize your productivity in college. So I want to start by saying this is not college specific. I've done 2 years of college at my local community college, and then this is my first quarter at the University of Washington. And these are just some tips that I found really useful in maximizing my productivity. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first tip is related to sleep. Now, everyone knows that young college men and women don't usually get enough sleep. And how much sleep you get is not usually something that's in your control. However, some parts of it are, especially maximizing the best kind of rest that you can get with the amount of hours that you do get. One of which is turning on a blue light filter on your phone or your computer. Windows has an adjustment inside the settings, and so do most phones. I know my Samsung phone does, and I'm sure iPhones do as well. This will make everything on your screen slightly more yellowy. This is because it's filtering out the blue lights. And blue lights, I don't know exactly how it all works, but essentially it tricks your mind into thinking it's daytime, and therefore you will not get as solid a rest because your mind is still convinced that, oh, it's daytime and I'm trying to get sleep. If you do this tip, you're gonna actually fall asleep faster and you're gonna sleep better. The next thing that you can do is disable a snooze alarm on your phone. Sometimes I'll wake up in the morning and I'll think, gee, I really don't want to get out of bed. 10 more minutes would be nice, and so I turn on a snooze, but 10 minutes from then I want to get out of bed even less. You can look up studies, but essentially what you're doing is you're tricking your brain into thinking you're going to go back into a fuller sleep, so it tries to put you into that fuller sleep, and then that doesn't work because you're backing out, and then you have to get up anyways. Even if it is just 10 or 15 minutes, that extra 10 or 15 minutes of time can actually give you more time to feel awake, feel ready for the day, so just disable it and keep it out. Another way to get better rest is to simply not look at apps before going to bed. Play an instrument, read a book, or draw a picture. When you're looking at your phone, you're going to be overstimulated with a bunch of animations and a lot of pixels coming straight into your brain. It's going to make it a lot harder for you to fall asleep faster and get a better rest. Which brings me to tip number 2. Delete that application. You know which app I'm talking about. For me, it was Instagram, but it could be anything. It could be Reddit, it could be iFunny, it could be Facebook, or what do the young kids use nowadays? Snapchat, something like that. Don't look at it before bed. Don't look at it at all, actually. What I would do is I found the search button on Instagram, and anytime I had a spare moment, I would just pull out my phone, right, and be like, oh gee, I'll just open up Instagram, look at the search bar, when I could be doing more productive things. So what did? I just said, you know what, I had enough. I just deleted it. I didn't delete it for long though. I didn't delete it for long. I actually downloaded it a week after the fact. But essentially I got a lot more time in during the week. That was super nice because then I had time on the weekend to use Instagram and relax and stuff and actually do my work that I needed to during the week. Don't feel like this is something that you have to do that is a permanent thing. Try to go a week without it. Maybe you'll find that you were far more addicted than you realized, or that you're just fine and your productivity remains the same. If that's the case, then re-download it and, enjoy it as you use it. Regardless, figure out what you're wasting your time on and try to get rid of it, because you and I both know it's not important as you think it is. The last tip that we have is to use the Google Suite instead of using the Microsoft Suite. So especially applications like Google Docs, for me personally, is a blessing. So Google Docs syncs with every single device regardless of what kind of platform it is. So tablet, phone, PC, on all of that you'll have every single document you've made until that point, and every single document you can you can edit. Secondly, it's free. And thirdly, it auto-saves every 5 seconds, whereas something like Microsoft Word, even if it saves, if your computer were to crash, you might not have the last save changes. You have to save it specifically to your hard drive or to a cloud somewhere, and that won't be automatically backed up. It's just a lot better, more safe, and will save you so many times for when the power goes out or your computer randomly blue screens and you lost all your things. Well, actually, it was saved 5 seconds ago and uploaded to the cloud. It's not just Google Docs though. Google Calendars has been instrumental in helping me schedule every second of my day. The nice thing about that too is that it also syncs up between my computer and also my phone, so I can get notifications on whatever device I'm using. By the way, I just want to clear something up. I am not being sponsored by Google. I'm not that famous. I just think they make really great products, and products that are specifically perfect for college students. Anyways guys, thank you for watching this video. If you found any of these tips useful, please let me know. If you found any of them not so useful, please let me know. I love your feedback on any of my videos. Share this video with your friends if you feel so inclined, and I will see you guys later. Stay classy. Yeah. Ooh. I like it. No, it's not bad. Yeah, could be worse. Anyway, guys. You know what? Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. Anyways, guys, thank you guys. Share this video with your friends if you feel so inclined, and I will see you guys later. I'll see you guys later. Yeah, naturally. Share this video if your friend. You're likely. You're gonna be giving T3 tech. Today I'm gonna be giving you guys. You're gonna find that. You're gonna. I don't know what you're gonna find. Really. This is because you got you know blue lights in there somewhere. I don't. Jesus. The last tip is just super important, but also you're gonna have thinking that it's you know